The greedy dog. Once upon a time, there was a hungry dog wandering in search of food. After a long time, he finally found a piece of meat near a market. He quickly grabbed it in his mouth and ran away, afraid that someone might take it from him. On his way home, the dog had to cross a small bridge over a river. As he walked on the bridge, he looked down into the water. To his surprise, he saw another dog in the river holding a piece of meat in its mouth. The greedy dog thought, "That piece of meat looks bigger than mine. I want that too." Without thinking, he barked at the other dog to scare him and take his meat. But the moment he opened his mouth, his own piece of meat fell into the river and was lost forever. The dog stood there sadly, realizing his mistake. Because of his greed, he lost what he already had. Moral of the story: greed can make you lose what you already have. Be happy with what you have.